Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do video call on Telegram desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to launch my Telegram application on my computer. This one. And then I'm going to do video call for this account. And as you can see guys, that there is no video call symbol. We only have this phone call symbols, right? But don't worry, you can still do video call on the Telegram desktop. You just need to click on this phone symbol. Okay, and here you will have two options. Either you want to do voice call or video call. If you want to do video call, you just need to click on start video. And the video call will be started. Okay, and then I'm just going to end the call. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to do video call on Telegram desktop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!